my friend Stephanie Bernard of the Stamps of Life, and it is time for a recap of the month of March. Now, we started out the month with our awesome floral set. Look at how gorgeous that is. It's the perfect for making your own background paper, or if you want it to be just a part of the card. Look at how gorgeous this is. Now, this is called Flowers to Layer, and we also had a stamp set that matched called Extra Flowers to Layer that allowed you to do the solid shapes as well. So those of you that don't like to color, me included, you get the solid shapes if you buy that extra add-on set to do those gorgeous looks. Look at how pretty those are. Look how fun that is. Always my friend. I love that. Now, this Thinking of You came in that circle flip it we just released. Look at that. Thinking of You. Oh, with our hangout dog on there. Isn't that cute? Thinking of You. Oh, with even a hidden panel. I love it. But there's that cute Thinking of You and that hangout dog. Ooh, here's that Flowers to Layer add-on set with the splotches behind it. I absolutely love that one. Back to the circle flip it. Here's one of the options, Just Pray. I love it. Isn't it pretty with those flowers on there? And our hangout dog, he's so cute. Look, here he is talking to a neighbor, and then it's our double Z fold card, but with our window in the back. Look at that. That was one of our club sets. That little guy is looking through the window. Isn't he absolutely adorable? And here's another circle with that fun flower that comes with it in the kit. Another fun circle flip it. I love it. I love it. Now, we also released our Friends background die. You already might have this one from the other company, but I re-released it through our company. So we have that fun Friends. We also released our cute little Easter chick. Now, you probably got the other two that were on hsn.com, but look at how cute this little Easter chick is, ready to go for Easter. Then let's stay on the slimlines, because then we also released this gorgeous fun flower slimline panel, which is so much fun. And another slimline option is our Peekaboo Squares. You can do it on regular cards or slimlines, but look how fun this is. You can open it up and have little hidden messages, fun little dies back there, stamped images, so fun. Here is another circle option, flip it, sorry. Thank you, my friend. Look how cute that is. Now, oh, here's another cute little fun Easter chick in our pop-up box. Look at how fun that is. Folds flat for mailing, but look at that when it pops up. Look how cute that is. Isn't that fun? Now, we also have our gorgeous doily that you can layer so easily. I love how you can layer that, or you can mix and match it to make it look so pretty. And last but not least is our cute little fluffy kitty cat, ready to go wherever you want. I love it. Now, if you missed out on any of these, don't worry. Most of them are still on our website. Some might be sold out, but you know what? We'll get them back in stock as soon as we can. Club members, of course you get your club discount on these, 15 to 20% off, plus you're getting your club points. I know, isn't it awesome? It's like a sale every day. Now, if you're not in our club, you need to go to our website, thestampsoflife.com, click on the Join the Club, and watch that video and find out all the many reasons why you should be in the club. The club is only $11.95 a month, and that includes a new stamp set each month, and all the discounts, and all the freebies, and all the fun. So go check it out, thestampsoflife.com, and you know what? I'm going to see you there. Bye-bye.